theory of separation of powers. Most of the countries had monarchy, and monarch was what kind of monarch? Constitutional monarch or absolute monarch? Absolute monarch. Absolute monarch had all the powers. The king was the highest executive authority. The king declared war. The king concluded peace. King appointed the diplomats to different countries. King was the lawmaker. His word was the law. And king was the fountainhead of justice. Now, if the king is a benevolent king, then the people will have a very good time. But if the king is acting with malefied intent, then the people will suffer. And history suggests that more bad kings have ruled rather than good kings. Therefore, to protect the civil liberties of the people and to uphold the idea of constitutionalism, the French philosopher Montesquieu suggested tripartite government in his book Esprit des Lois, or Spirit of the Laws. This came to be known as the theory of separation of powers. Do you understand that? And this theory simply says that the powers of the government shall not be concentrated in one institution, rather they should be divided into three wings of the government, each performing their designated task, like the legislature making laws, executing the laws made by the legislature, and the judiciary giving justice in the light of the laws. Do you understand that? In this way, the powers will not be allowed to concentrate in one hand. And if one of the organs goes wrong, the other two can put it on path back. Do you get it? And therefore, the liberties of the people as well as the idea of constitutionalism will be protected. Keshavananda Bharati versus State of Kerala, Supreme Court has said that theory of separation of powers is a part of the basic structure of the constitution, okay, which cannot be changed even by an amendment to the constitution.